Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a review of the Fidelity Reward Visa Signature Credit Card. We will cover its key features, pros and cons. So by the end, you will have a clear picture of whether this card is right for you. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, the standout feature of this particular card is the 2% cashback on all purchases. No categories to worry about, no caps, just a flat 2% cashback on everything that you buy, which is very simple and effective. One downside though is that there is no standard sign-up bonus on the main website, unlike many other cards offering a cash bonus after meeting a spending threshold. This one doesn't have a guaranteed offer. However, some existing Fidelity customers might get a targeted offer for $150 cashback if they spend $1,500 within the first 90 days. I will leave a link down in the description that might help you access this offer, but no promises, it will still work when you click. So if you are eligible for the special offer, you will also get a 0% intro APR for 12 months. After that, the APR jumps to around 19.24%. So make sure you pay off your balance before the promotional period ends. For those with large investments managed by Fidelity, there is an additional perk. If you have over $250,000 in professionally managed assets, you could earn up to 3% cashback depending on your membership level. That could be gold, platinum, or platinum plus. You can redeem your cashback in several ways, but the best value is transferring it into your Fidelity investment accounts. This could be a brokerage account, IRA, or even a college savings account. If you prefer, you can also redeem for the statement credits or travel, but the points won't be worth as much outside Fidelity. As a Visa signature card, you will also get some solid perks like purchase security for the first 90 days for lost luggage reimbursement and $250,000 in travel accident insurance. These benefits add extra value, especially if you are making large purchases or traveling frequently. Now let's talk about the fees and the APR. So while there is no annual fee, which is a huge plus, there is a 1% foreign transaction fee, not ideal if you travel abroad often. Additionally, the APR for cash advances is steep at 29.24%, and there is a fee of either $10 or the 5% of the advances, whichever is greater. Balance transfers also comes with a 3% fees of $5, whichever is greater. Finally, the late payment could cost up to $41. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this particular card. So if I talk about the pros in a summary, the 2% cashback on all purchases with no cap, potential $150 sign up bonus, and 0% intro APR for 12 months if you qualify, the no annual fee. If I talk about the cons, the 1% foreign transaction fee, which not great for the international use, for more beneficial if you are already a Fidelity customer. No guarantee sign up bonus, making other cards like the Wells Fargo Active Cash card potentially more appealing. So who is this card for? So if you are already a Fidelity customer or can take advantage of the special sign up offer, this card could be a great fit for you. However, if you don't use Fidelity or can't access the bonus, there might be better options out there. So as always, do your own research, check the fees, and ensure this card aligns with your financial goals. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.